وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the master of the whole universe. And we try by praising Allah alone. And we are asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless our gathering. Allahumma ameen. Subhanallah, for me, I cannot believe that we have 1 year passed quickly. For me, it is as if we were here yesterday for saying goodbye to Ramadan. And today, I do not believe that we have another Ramadan and we are gathering, alhamdulillah. I'm so happy and I feel I'm so blessed and honored by Allah to be granted another opportunity to witness another Ramadan. What a great moment that we come together as one family, as one community. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our siyam. And just I'm asking, how was the first experience for the first day of siyam? Do you feel hungry? Do you feel hungry? See, Brother Rashad said, yes, I'm hungry. Okay. Do you feel thirsty or hungry more? Thirsty or hungry? Thirsty, right? Okay. So do we have good food today, Brother Abdul Basit? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. We have our brother who is watching the minutes for the adhan, inshallah, do not worry. And today, I want to just explain something a little bit. Maybe we have some new people to our community. Maybe we have some of our sisters who do not pay attention to the details of our community, of our masjid. But I can tell you, whatever you see, alhamdulillah, in the masjid, you have lots of people are working very hard to get the work done. And see, mashallah, the decoration of the hall. So if you like the decoration of the hall, give a round of applause for Brother Faisal if you like it. You see? They like it, mashallah. And everything, even if we forgot some of the names, like see the hard work, see the volunteers, see that everyone behind that effort in the masjid. Sometimes, even if you forgot some of the names, but Allah knows their names. And this is the most important thing than the gathering, than being in the hall. And every time I keep fighting with the sisters to keep quiet so we can continue the lecture. But it seems this year I will keep fighting with Brother Faisal because he is speaking so loudly. Brother Faisal. Yes, he's talking too much. Okay, that's it. So, inshallah, we will talk this year and this Ramadan about the family. How to keep the ties of the family connected. The rights of the man upon his wife, the rights of the wife upon her man, and the rights of the kids, the children. How to raise them up, how to listen to them. We will learn from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our mu'allim, and we learn the guidance from the Quran. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us this guidance. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alameen. And today, as we used to have every year in Ramadan, the one who is sponsoring the day, Dr. Haidar Khan. And Dr. Haidar, actually, he is doing this basically to send the blessings and the words for his wife. His wife, Sister Habiba. And actually, it's our duty It's my duty to give that history even for the newcomers for the masjid. Because we do not know. Maybe after 10 years, after 20 years, one of you will say, I remember one day we had an imam, his name is Imam Ali, and he used to say that every day at the first day of Ramadan. Because it is so important. Allah said in the Quran, وَلَا تَنْسَوْا الْفَضْلَ بَيْنَكُمْ. And do not forget the good deeds between each other. Means be grateful, be thankful even to one another. So when we say Sister Habiba, we remember our sister and our mother, Sister Afsari, the wife of Dr. Rahim. And the wife of Dr. Rahim and Dr. Haidar Khan, Sister Habiba, and lots of the sisters, mashallah, cooperated together. And they used to carry the titles. They used to work hard in building the masjid and building the hall itself. The hall was built after Sister Habiba, and Sister Afsari used to come here to see the building of this hall by herself. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to put that in the records. Allahumma ameen. And today we are going to make a dua, a special dua for our Sister Habiba, the wife of Dr. Haidar Khan, and Sister Afsari, the wife of Dr. Rahim, the president of the Islamic Center of Richey. And we are going to send them this dua because that is our duty and their haqq upon all of us. We ask Allah to accept their good deeds. And just for the young generation, you do not and you cannot imagine. We have, alhamdulillah, I am so blessed. I feel the honor to work with the board members of the masjid and to be part of the board members of the masjid. I can tell you, we have lots of people are working, mashallah, generously to provide for the masjid, for the community, for the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you know, I will not say a secret here. One of my du'as, every time when we gather for a meeting in the board members, I always ask Allah, oh Allah, grant us the guidance so we can serve your deen and we can serve this community. May Allah bless them. And on behalf of the board members of the Islamic Center of Richey, I can tell you today, Ramadan Mubarak, and may Allah accept your good deeds, Allahumma ameen. Let me call our brother Ismail, the man that is working, mashallah, with very hard work, not only this year, not only the last year, not the year before, but for almost 18 years, mashallah. 32 years, mashallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from him, Allahumma ameen.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi everybody. This is something I have to say to you every year in the festival of Ramadan about the health department. The food should be 12 inch above the ground, covered all the time. Anybody want to touch the food, they have to dress with gloves. The food, if you look at yesterday, don't drink it today, because it creates some kind of bacteria. They told me the name of it. Dr. Linda Leone in the health department, she promised each year she want to come, but this year she said definitely I will come and check. So please, we need everything to be there every day in case you come and do not on the hotel be closed for this. Please be careful for this. The other thing that water refrigerator. This is all the basic thing about this thing. Please, the gloves for the people serving, the gloves for anybody touch the food. Simon.
Jazakumullah khairan, and I wanted to thank each and every person had helped and volunteered. And mashallah, I can see lots of new faces in the community. I'm so happy to see them. Welcome everyone, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our salah and accept our zakat. So, inshallah, starting tomorrow, we are going to have our family counseling session. It will be 20 minutes before the adhan, inshallah. I just today wanted to thank you and to say Ramadan Mubarak, and let me tell you that 2-3 minutes before adhan, we will invest in the dua to Allah. We want to make dua, inshallah, tonight. And as Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, whenever you come to the moment to break your fast, you will have an answered dua. So let's raise our hands with the dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. اللهم لك الحمد يا ربنا كما تحب وكما ترضى. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد. اللهم تقبل صيامنا وصلاتنا وركوعنا وسجودنا. اللهم اختم بالباقيات الصالحات أعمالنا. اللهم توفنا مسلمين وألحقنا بالصالحين، واحشرنا يا ربنا في زمرة خير المرسلين. اللهم يا ربنا نور حياتنا بالقرآن، ونور صراطنا بالقرآن، ونور قبورنا بالقرآن. اللهم وفقنا لعمل صالح يرضيك. اللهم تقبل صلاتنا ودعاءنا وتضرعنا وتذللنا. اللهم يا ربنا تقبل صالح أعمالنا. اللهم اجمعنا بنبيك محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. اللهم انصر الإسلام وأعز المسلمين، واجب بفضلك كلمتي الحق والدين. اللهم انصر إخواننا في فلسطين. اللهم تقبل شهداءهم واشف جرحاهم وعاف مصابيهم. اللهم اجمع حولهم قلوب العباد، إنك على كل شيء قدير. اللهم إنا دعوناك كما أمرتنا، فاستجب لنا يا رب كما وعدتنا. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. الله أكبر الله أكبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
on